Alright, boys and girls, and welcome back to this brand new PHP tutorial number 2. And in this PHP tutorial, I'm going to show you some basics about PHP. So as you can see, we just created our localhost website here right now in the first tutorial, and here inside we can just use HTML and PHP stuff how much we want. Let's begin right now with the basics of PHP. First things first, PHP has some opening tags. So if you use PHP, you always have to declare that by this small mathematical smaller sign and the question mark and PHP. And to close the tag, as you can see right now, it has another color. So you see something is missing here right now. You can say again question mark and the bigger sign here right now with the mathematical bigger sign. And inside this you can just write PHP how much you want. So basically let's write in some PHP stuff. For echo out some strings, you can easily use the string comment and you can say this is echo string. Okay, and if you save this, you have to refresh your page and you can see this is echo string. Of course, there's another comment that's called the print version, and it's actually basically the same. It's a little bit slower than echo, so if you just want to echo out, see some code, some string, just use echo. Print is a bit slower here right now, but works even the same. So as you can see, it will be printed out a second time. Alright, so let's use echo in our case here right now. And of course you can concatenate some strings and combine some two strings by using the dot sign. In other languages is the plus sign, and here it's the dot sign. So you can say second string here right now, and now you can combine two of those strings. And as you can see here, they will be just combined with the first string here. Alright, of course you can just do some basically mathematical operation, and for that you have to use variables, and variables are declared with the $sign here right now. And you can say, for example, variable number 1, and you can say number 1 is equal to 3, and you can say variable number 2 is equal to 5, and here you can declare number 3. And you can say number 3 is equal to number 1 plus number 2, and you can at least echo out the number 3. And of course you will see 8 then on your website here. And of course you can use other mathematical things like minus or multiplied, so you can use whatever you want. You can even divide the number, but yeah, it will automatically change your number to float. And this is of course an integer, and it will change your number to a float, so the type of your number will automatically be changed, and you don't have to specify the type in the beginning. So in other cases, for example in Java or anything like that, or C, TypeScript or C++, you have to say, okay, this is an int or integer, or this is a float or something else like that. PHP is doing that for you. That makes PHP much easier. Next thing you can use, of course, is functions, and that's really, really important. So to declare function, you have to say function and then the name. So let's say function my name, and you have to set the brackets here, and inside the brackets you can fill in some arguments and some parameters. But first things first, let's just echo out this is my function. Okay, so if you save it, nothing will happen, of course, because you have to declare and call the function by just using your function's name and with the parameters. In my case, there are no parameters, and if you save it, it will echo out this. Okay, so of course you can use parameters as well with variables. So let's say name, and here you just can say functions and my name is, and here you can just concatenate the name. Okay, so if you type in nothing, of course you will not see the name, and you will get an error here right now because you have to put in here the variable of your name. So let's just get in a string, for example, and let's say my name is Phil. And now if you refresh this, you see this is my function and my name is Phil. Cool, right? And let's get to the array stuff here right now. Of course you can use arrays, and you can declare variable as well. So you just can call it, for example, my oh shit, my array. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me thumbs up if you want to see more. See you in the next PHP tutorial. Bye.